When making a video in Powerdirector, you see there's a watermark, but when you want to remove the watermark, you need to pay for 245 pesos per month just to remove the watermark. So in this video I will gonna show you how to remove a watermark for free. First, make a video on Powerdirector or even on Kinemaster. If you are making a ratio of 16:9 or a landscape video, press the ratio of 9:16 or the portrait one. Second, make a video whatever you want.
1 hour later.
Third, produce the video. After producing the video, install YowCut on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After downloading the YowCut, open the YowCut and click the cross button. Click the video that you make on Powerdirector or Kinemaster. Then, click the crop button and click 16:9 video. Lastly, produce the video and your video is now no watermark. Here is the before and after.